Grace,
Someone get me a glass
what
of
is
water.
this?
It's strawberry sauce mixed with mustard.
Someone's gotta go get me a
Whole
glass of water. No. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Put it
That's
in.
as much.
No, go get me a glass of water. That way I don't barf afterwards.
You go get yourself.
No.
Just
No.
eat it.
Don't eat it all gone.
I'm gonna barf.
No, you're not. I was gonna put ranch and mustard. I mean, not mustard.
No, I call pass. I skip. I skip.
No, you don't.
Yes, yes I do.
Does he?
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Tell him. What?
You gotta eat it.
No, I'm not.
I got you some water.
Dude, no.
You gotta eat it.
No, I have a pass.
No, you don't.
Alright, then I'll eat it.
Yeah, you do it.
I would.
We gotta video this.
He's gonna do it for me.
It's basically just strawberry cream.
Yeah, it's strawberry sauce with some mustard. You won't.
He's gonna do it for. He's doing it for me.
Yeah,
Doing it for me.
No, you skipped it.
No.
No, it's your best.
Was it good?